straight. What's wrong? Good morning. Early in the morning. Let's see if we can find Gundi, and we need to harvest that corn because it was raining yesterday. Last night it was raining. It was raining cats and dogs. So I don't know what happened to the garden. I don't want to know. But all I know is I need to pick up that, harvest that, and then maybe we'll cook it later. Because Gundi ish, yo. Hi guys, my name is Betty and welcome to Garden with Betty K. Because wow. Gundi, are you here? Gundi. And I go to the concert. Okay. Or was I made a little man? I Gundi. Can't you? Yesterday. This is what Gundi did. You see? This is what Gundi did. It's a pepper there. It's a pepper there. Because, wow, Gundi, wow. Now I have to harvest everything because of you. So this is the result of Gundi. This one. Imagine. And because yesterday it was raining with hail and everything, look at this corn. It's kind of broken, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I think Gundi stays somewhere behind there. But because it was raining and the water was going to the streets, maybe it got drowned and then it went out with the water. Let's just hope and pray for it. What I think is the thing that happened. Hey. So if you enjoy small videos like this, us finding Gundi and stuff, because I don't want this video to be too long. I need to clean this yard. It's so dirty. This rain. Oh, look at that. So let me go drink my coffee. I don't drink coffee. Let me go drink my tea. And then ke re go tswa go nna bonyana mo motswana go tswa kwa rusty dusty matlhange ke re twere. Bye guys. So ke ntshitse mopo o Gundi a batlileng go jwetse Gundi Gundi when I catch you but we eat.